Emotional healing isn't pretty, it's sacred chaos. I used to think heartbreak was loud, but it's not. It's quiet. It's the kind of pain that creeps in softly and takes away the warmth in a room. I remember standing there, trying to breathe around the truth that broke me. People said, "Oh, you'll be fine." But I didn't want to be fine. I wanted to be real. I didn't know that healing starts when you stop pretending. That night, I didn't heal. I cracked. And that crack became the start of something new. There's a kind of grief that doesn't cry. It just stares. I went days without speaking, just watching the light move across the walls. I begged God for answers, but all I got was silence. In that silence, I heard things I'd been running from. My own breath, my own pain, my need to be chosen. Healing doesn't come to make you feel better right away. It comes to shake you awake. It tears down what was built on fear. It whispers, "Now that it's gone, who are you without it?" Healing felt crazy. One day I was okay. The next day I was back in the pain. I'd delete old messages, then cry, then pray, then start over, all in one day. It was chaos, but that chaos was holy, because under all the mess, something deep inside me was trying to rebuild. Healing wasn't soft. It was surgery with no medicine. It took away every lie I believed about love, until all that was left was me, real, raw, still breathing. One morning, I looked in the mirror and didn't look away. My eyes were tired, but they were honest. And for the first time, I didn't want to be who I was before. The old me needed people to see my worth. The new me just needed truth. I wasn't betrayed because I was weak. I was betrayed because I loved deeply. And I would still love like that again. But next time, I won't lose myself doing it. That's when peace came. Not loud peace, quiet peace. The kind that hums in your chest when you stop running. Healing isn't about becoming someone new. It's remembering who you were before the pain. I don't chase closure anymore. I make peace. The people who hurt me are still out there, but I don't need to be part of their story. Forgiveness doesn't mean I agree with what happened. It means I'm letting go. It means I'm done carrying it. Emotional healing isn't pretty. It's sacred chaos. It's grief that turns into grace. It's destruction that makes space for new life. If you're standing in your own ruins right now, stay there a little longer. Breathe. Don't rush it. Because somewhere inside that silence, your real voice will rise. And when it does, you'll know. The chaos wasn't there to destroy you. It was there to prepare you. I'm still healing, but I'm not scared of the fire anymore. It's the only thing that ever made me real.